Now this is quill. 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 Quill is feather of the bird. Next, hello. Hello. When you are going somewhere, you are meeting somebody, then you are wishing or you are saying hello. Next, R roll. Roll. Roll means to, like when you are rolling on the floor, okay, or when you are making something round and round, that is also called roll. Next, doll. Doll is a toy with which girls like to play. Next, seller. Seller. Who is a seller? Who is selling his things. Okay, shopkeeper is a seller. Fine. Now quickly we will revise. L and L make the sound of L. First word ball. Ball. Tall. Tall. Wall. Fall. Small. Bell. Tell. Cell. Smell. Sell. Well. Shell. Full. Bull. Pull. Hill. Bill. Bill. Pill. Ill. Mill. Fill. Quill. Hello. Roll. Tall. Seller. Okay.